Hello my dear friends, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. The GATE exam is over and most of you would have already calculated your marks based on the response sheet released by IIT Kanpur. And you would be willing to know that on that scores which institutes you will be getting or whether you will be able to get your dream institutes or not. In that respect, I, Saurav Upadhyay, alongside me, Mr. Vijay Kumar, are here to present you the post-GATE guidance series of mechanical engineering from the IMS GATE Academy. My dear friends, in this video, we'll be discussing about the top two institutes of our country, IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay, as far as higher studies are concerned. So Vijay sir, what would we be doing in this video?
Yeah, so most of the students are very panic about their GATE scores. So without their GATE scores, whether they are going to get the required specialization or not, they are very panic about that. So now we are here to present that top two institutes, as you said, that IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay, through the post-GATE guidance program for particularly mechanical engineering. Okay, right. Now in this video we are going to discuss about specializations, cutoff and placements in the IISc Bangalore as well as the IIT Bombay. Okay, right. So now Saurav sir, let us go for
Correct. My dear friends, you can clearly see that the NIRF ranking of IISc Bangalore is 2, but that is the overall ranking, as it is not a purely engineering institute, so it's an overall ranking, right? And as far as
now, let us go for IIT Bombay. So NRF ranking is 3 for pure engineering in IIT Bombay. Now, Saurav sir, what are the specializations are available in the IISc Bangalore? Please explain that.
Correct. So my dear friends, now let us discuss about available in Bangalore, and you can clearly see that purely mechanical engineering department, the number of intake is 24 and the selection process is 70% GATE score plus 30% interview, right? And you can see that the cutoff I've written, that means what is 730 for the general category. The student who have got 730, the last student to take admission in mechanical department has got a score of 730. So Vijay sir, what I'm saying is that it's not necessary that we need to get a score above 850 or 870 in order to take admissions. Even as low scores as 730, it's not low, but still it is low as compared to 850 and 900. Student can take admissions.
Yeah, exactly. So the students no need to panic about score of GATE score. So here, by seeing these figures, you can be able to fit in the IISc Bangalore for some specializations. What are the specializations are available in the IISc Bangalore?
Correct. So my dear friends, you can clearly see that as much as 19 areas of study or specializations is available for you to study in IISc Bangalore, starting from solid mechanics, FEM, computer-aided design, non-linear dynamics, vibrations, so on and so on, then biomechanics, tribology, advanced manufacturing process, material science, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, IC engines, combustion, refrigeration and air conditioning. That is so much topics to study, my dear friends.
Yeah, Saurav sir, here the student, how in this 19 specializations in which he has to select that particular specialization for his MS program or MTech program.
Correct. In which he is interested. He can select anyone. It depends upon the student's interest only.
Exactly. Right. What I'm trying to tell you, so most of the students in BTech, you may attracted to any one specialization. Maybe
Correct.
Thermal, maybe design, maybe manufacturing, maybe industrial. So in that in that 4 specializations, we have a lot of courses or a lot of programs here. So suppose if you, for example, if you take that advanced manufacturing, material science, if you go for manufacturing interested, you may select these 2 branches. Okay. If you are interested in thermal courses are available, thermal
Correct.
programs are available, that you may take that. Okay. So for all these, Saurav sir will explain you what is the cutoff for these programs.
So my dear friends, as I already said that the cutoff for all these programs was 730. So for all these programs, this is one single number which you can refer, right? My dear friends, if you are not able to take admissions in the mainstream mechanical branch, do not worry at all. It's not that you won't be able to get into your dream institute. There are interdisciplinary branches also. For example, smart manufacturing department, quantum technology, robotics, autonomous system, electronic product design, bioengineering, climate science department, product design and engineering department, CP computation, data science program, nanoscience, earth science. There are so many departments and programs, my dear friends, in which you can still take admission in IISc Bangalore if you're not able to get into the mainstream core. My dear friends, see, I like to show Vijay sir, can you see that a student, if he has got the 550 score and he's willing to study climate science, still he can go in
IISc Bangalore. Okay.
So that is wonderful, Vijay sir, because most of the students think that unless and until they get a score of so much, they won't be able to get into IISc Bangalore. Yes, for robotics there is 831, which is good. 850, yes, it is on the higher side. But again, you can see 475 for electronic product design, or if I show here 550. Now these are some of the low scores, and I'm talking for general. It the same applies for other categories as well. So it's a very good chance, my dear friends. It just if you have the knowledge of or have the idea of all these information, it will give you that good idea that whether you are able to get into the IISc Bangalore or not. My dear friends, now for IIT Bombay, sir will explain.
Students, in IIT Bombay, in mechanical engineering particularly, these are the 4 specializations are available. That is thermal and fluid engineering, design engineering, manufacturing engineering, materials manufacturing and modeling engineering. So these are the MTech specializations in mechanical engineering department, IIT Bombay, right? So now for this, I'll show you the cutoffs. Okay, so in order to get that admission in thermal engineering or in these 4 specializations, what are the cutoffs required for different categories, either general, OBC and SC/ST? How many marks you require? How much of gate score you require in order to get his admission? We will see. Okay, now see here. Suppose say that if you want interested in thermal engineering, so your gate score must be for general is 600 and OBC for 540 and SC category for 400. So these applicable for all specializations. These 4 specializations having the same scores. This is the least score you require in order to get the admission in IIT Bombay Mechanical Engineering as a MTech student. Alright. Now here one more thing. So though if you are not able to get the admission with this course in directly mechanical engineering department, don't get panic, because so IIT Bombay also offering some other specializations as a interdisciplinary courses. Okay, so those interdisciplinary courses, mechanical engineering students also eligible to take the admission as a PG program. All right, now I'll show you that what are the MTech programs are available apart from the mechanical engineering department, right? Now, see this industrial engineering and operation research. Okay, so industrial engineering and operation research is a department which is offering the MTech program with this specialization. Now, here it is a general 650 require, OBC 585 and SC/ST require 433. And all this data is related to the last year. It may be vary. So 10 or 10 plus or minus, it may vary. Now here this department, industrial engineering department, offering this course for this scores. Now similarly, materials engineering, steel technology and process engineering and corrosion science courses. These MTech programs are offered by the metallurgical materials engineering department. For this cutoff you require this much scores. Okay, now for general 600, for OBC 540 and SC/ST category for 400 marks you require in gate score. So but you're getting your MTech from metallurgical engineering department, but these courses are very related to the mechanical engineering.
Correct.
That is why you don't need to panic. If you are a dream about IIT Bombay, if you are not able to get the seat MTech as a mechanical engineering, but don't panic. So by these courses you may fulfill your dream as a IIT Bombay student. All right, so apart from these courses, and here another some other specializations are also there. That is energy system and engineering. So this is the energy system engineering is a department which offering the course MTech program for these courses. General 600, OBC 540, SC/ST is 400. Now another department in environmental science and engineering department. So this department also offering this course for MTech students for mechanical. Systems and control engineering. This is also one department. This is also offering the course for MTech for mechanical engineering student. Now technology and development. Technology and development is one of the course in one of the department in IIT Bombay. it is offering this course for MTech program for mechanical engineering students. These are the scores. See that scores. So in the beginning, we require 600 and 700 for fulfill your dream of IIT student, IIT Bombay student. But still, if you have a score 500, so you have a hope in order to get the MTech seat or MTech program in IIT Bombay. Okay. Now, sir, just now we had been discussed about what are the programs are available and what are their cutoffs available.
Correct.
We have discussed. Now, so next immediately the students think that what about the placements?
Correct.
Right?
Absolutely.
So now, Saurav sir, let explain you what are the placements or placement strategy in the IISc Bangalore.
My dear friends, it is said that when you get into these top institutes, and if you have done well in your, the curriculum, you have performed well, you have been sincere enough, you will definitely be placed. That is my thinking, and Vijay sir also agrees with me.
Exactly.
So, my dear friends, you can clearly see that this is the final placement batch for 2022-23. The highest CTC offered was 85 LPA and the median CTC was 28 LPA. Internship is also a kind of placement. So for that, the highest stipend offered was 1.1 lakh per month. Average was 72,000 per month. Obviously, it's for a particular period of time. My dear friends, these are just numbers, but it is expected that once you enter those premier institutes, you will definitely be landed somewhere much better than your expectations. The least you can do is perform well in your curriculum. I won't be talking much about that. And now Vijay sir will talk about the IIT Bombay placements.
Yeah. However, students, you have selected a good MTech program in IIT Bombay or IISc Bangalore. So next is you have performed very well in your academics. Then next, your in front of task is get placed. Okay. So don't worry about the placements in IITs because so many highest reputed companies are come and recruited the people. See the numbers here. MTech programs, 67 students are registered and 582 students participated and 523 students got placed. So that percentage of placement is 90% in MTech. Okay, that is why here don't panic about. So once you get the mark of IIT, so you will be definitely fit in. That's 90%. Okay.
Correct,
now
correct.
here see the companies I have listed: Tata Steel, Oracle, Bajaj, and so many reputed companies are going to be recruited. But so now the students are always think that once you go for the placement, obviously you ask that how much of the package. Now here, so the packages or average packages in IIT Bombay is, so 16 to 20 lakhs per annum. Okay. Now here, see that guys, for mechanical engineering students, I have collected the last 3 years placement data. So for particularly PG students, MTech students. So here intake is 24, 4 specializations. Okay. So total here participated are 173 and placed is 173 in the 1920 academic year and 2021 academic year 151 and 2022 academic year is 180. So here the placements are going to be increased. See all the specializations, whatever the specialization you are selecting in the IIT Bombay. So for that specialization, what are the placements I have listed here, so that you will get a crystal clear picture. So which specializations you are supposed to select. Okay.
Correct.
So that is why here use this data and get well placed in the IIT Bombay. So here Saurav sir will tell you.
So Vijay sir, before concluding, see, students would think that, sir, if I enter into interdisciplinary branch, whether I'll be able to get the placement or not. But these numbers are clearly showing that
exactly.
even in interdisciplinary branches also, you will be getting the placement. And that is a wonderful thing, Vijay sir.
Yeah, exactly. So why here we are introducing the interdisciplinary means if you are not fit for the, your score is not fit for the exactly mechanical engineering department, don't worry. Still you have a chance to get in touch with the IIT Bombay. So though if you are selected your interdisciplinary program for MTech, so you can eligible for all the placements. Okay, even interdisciplinary courses are also having good placements.
These are the information of 2 institutes, and I hope that this session has helped you as far as your decision making is concerned. And do not worry, we will be covering all the major IITs, all the major NITs in a similar fashion, so that you get a very clear idea that with your marks where you can go and whether you will be able to get into your dream institute or not. Yes or no, Vijay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Exactly. So these data and these specialization placement data will help you to select the appropriate institute according to your GATE score. Okay, that is what the motto of this video. We are coming up with similar videos with the different institutions. Here we have covered the IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay. Now we will come up with the top institutes, IIT and all NITs we are going to be cover. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
friends.
much.